Hey everyone, Brian with WorkshopAddict.com, and we are going to give away the new Ridgid brushless OCTANE hammer drill. Now, we recently put this up against the Milwaukee 2804, and even to our surprise, this guy powered through and did some things a lot faster than the Milwaukee. If you haven't seen that video, it's just back a few. Click on it, give it a watch. It's very interesting, and it was surprising to us when we really went through it. Now, getting into this contest was easy. One was obviously which one will win, and I seen a couple of you guys went back and edited your answers. And two was what was our next project. And we got this Traxxas Max from Summit Racing, and it's gonna be a Christmas gift. We're not letting that loose yet. Hopefully my son is not watching our channel. We wanna play with it a little bit. This is a little bit more of an adult toy than it's gonna be a kid's toy. But with that, he's had some experience with this. And this is just a simply large, very cool truck that I'm looking forward to playing with. Now, I want to give you guys a suggestion if I can, and this will be really quick. And this has nothing to do with going and buying anything or doing anything. If you have kids or even yourself, if you're into tools, you're into car parts or into anything, go to Summit Racing. We'll put a link in our description, and go to the bottom and request a magazine, or I think that's what they're going to call it. Just request it. It's simple. You put your name and address in. It's free. It doesn't cost you anything. They'll send it to you a couple times a year that has millions of car parts in it. It's got Traxxas stuff. It's got tools, so you can see what's happening in the tool world. They have a lot of things in there in that catalog. That's the word I'm looking for. And it's something that my kid picks up all the time and walks away with. And I absolutely love that because he can see what's a camshaft, why do they have all these different models, and what's going on with different intakes, and what's up with the turbo and a supercharger, and oh, look at this Roush system. It's something other than a phone, man. It's something other than a video game. It's something that he can look at. If nothing else, it's sitting there for them to pick it up and look at it. And it might even be for you guys. Really like that idea, so sorry to go on a rant about it, but I'd highly suggest it. It's one of the things I look forward to all the time. It's free. Again, go down, request catalog. You can also put in your email and they'll send you different email sales, but the catalog is where it's at. Very cool. So on this winner here, we put in our random YouTube drawing guy, and the name was Brad Stemp. So Brad, I don't think it was edited. You said that the Ridgid was gonna win, which I was really surprised at. Went through, and I think I tallied it up. I think well over 70% of everybody thought the Milwaukee was going to win. So Brad, what we need you to do is email us at webmaster@WorkshopAddict.com. Also make a comment below on this video so we can kind of match those two comments up. We know we have the right guy. We will get this Ridgid out to you, not this particular one, but we'll get one out to you ASAP. We're looking forward to getting this X-Max out behind the shop, taking some video of it, showing you guys what it'll do. You can check that out on our Wrenches and Rides channel. So if you haven't subscribed over there, I'd highly suggest it. We have a lot of cool things from cars, side-by-sides, the different shows that we go to, and other fun things like this X-Max over there. So we appreciate your support, guys. Have a great day.